Hello, what is going on everybody? So today we're gonna look at TP1 truly wireless earbuds by Whizzer. Go over design, features, control, specs, microphone sample, and provide you with my honest opinion. First thing first, let's start unwrapping this plastic from the box here. So now let's look at the box. The box is pretty simple. At the front it says Type Kylan. I'm not sure what Type Kylan means. TP1S Whizzer function design. And on this side of the box there's a Whizzer logo here. And let's look at the back. At the back they have some technical information there. Bluetooth 5.0 frequency, it operates 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Bluetooth distance is roughly around 10 meters. Charging time 1.5 hours, not bad. Playtime 3 to 5 hours, that's okay. Standby is pretty good, 100 hours. So that's pretty much it. And at the bottom it says the company information, Whizzer Shanghai Whizzer Technology. So yeah, let's open this box here. Let's come to the very interesting part that you guys are waiting for. Let's take out the earbuds. The quality looks pretty premium. I gotta say, these guys put some ample amount of time, put this presentation all together here. Now I'm gonna take out this case here, the earbud case here, that looks pretty good quality, and we'll talk about this in a bit. Let's take out let's see what's inside the box here. So it comes here now with the box here. Let's see what's inside the small little box here. It comes with more air tips. Depends which one fits to you. Comes with a Type-C charging cable. That's the most interesting part. I'm finally glad that these guys coming up with a Type-C charging. And let's see what else. More air tips. A lot of user manual here in different languages. So let's put everything is on aside and let's talk about the earbuds and what comes with it. So here, one of the manual here, it says in Chinese, front and back both, so no point of reading this. And guarantee card and everything. Oh, so you can also put your information, product, and in this, for this you have to fill out and contact the official store to register your product. And in here, in this paper manual here, I hope it should be in English. Yeah, it's in English. It talks about how you connect it, charging, power, pairing, play music, and I'll go over every single detail later on this video here. So now let's talk about the earbuds itself and put everything is on aside. So now let's talk about the case itself here. I got this in white color. This is not actually white, we would call it a Oreo white creamy color here. At the front it has a nice rose gold Whizzer logo here that gives it a nice touch here. At the back it has a hinge to open the lid for the earbud. At the bottom it has some technical information here, and right underneath spot for LED charging light here. And at the bottom it has a golden Type-C charging spot to charge your case. The back this golden and this front gold, and at the bottom it gives a nice touch to the kit. Now let's open this lid here. This lid feels really tight, so that's a good positive point here. And these earbuds, let's see if these one falls out or no. So these earbud does not fall out. That means it has a proper magnetic protection in the case here. Now let's talk about these earbuds here. So one thing you guys will notice, the placement of these earbuds here on the right. This earbud is actually for your left ear, and on the left this earbuds is actually for your right ear. So you have to remember when taking out the earbuds to switch it between right and left. These earbuds comes out really nicely. No issue in that. You can see these earbuds are made of same color as of the charging case, and these earbuds gives you a form factor of Apple AirPods. At the front it has a microphone dot here, a reading here, and at the bottom there's a gold charging contacts at the both of the earbuds here. And if you look at the inside, there's LED indicator on the both earbuds right there, and on the top it says right and left. And this Whizzer logo also act as a touch control. You can just tap it 1 or 2 times. I will go about this functionality later on in this video. And this gold ring and this gold charging contacts put a extra cherry on the top of the cake. And more to it, these earbuds are changeable. You can select ear tips from different sizes, whatever suits best to your need. The good thing I like about these earbuds here, these are protected from water and sweat by IPX5 standard, so you can use this while you're running or going to a gym. Or talk about the connection of these earbuds. So these Whizzer company, they use dual channel earbud. What does that mean is both earbuds are connected to your cell phone, not only one earbud. So in that case, you can, if you wish to use only one earbud at a time, you can also use that. So that's really cool feature. So in order to connect these earbuds to your phone, you can just take it out from your case and make sure the LEDs are lighting up red and white, as you guys can see here. Go to your cell phone here, turn off and on the Bluetooth. So make sure it scan your earbuds. So go at the bottom, just find TP1S, click that, and it will automatically connect your earbuds to the phone here. So now let's talk about some control feature these Whizzer earbuds has. So in order to play the music, you just tap it once, it will automatically play the music for you. And if you want to pause the music, just tap it once in any of the earbud, it will pause the music for you. If you want to switch back to the go forward and play the next music, you just tap it twice and it will switch the song for you. And if you tap left twice, it will go back. So as you guys can see, it's pretty sensitive here, so it will take some time to get used to of these control feature here. If you want to activate Siri or Google Assistant, if you're using an Android device, just hold these for couple of 2 seconds here and it will activate Siri for you. So as you guys can see, the Siri is activated here. So in order to pick up the call, you just tap it once, it will pick the call for you. And if you wanna hang up, just press tap it on the earbud, tap it once, it will hang up the call. And in order to reject the call, you just simply hold your sensitive touch for 2 seconds and it will reject the call. One of the drawbacks I don't like about these earbuds is these earbud does not have a volume control. So in order to control the volume, you have to control it from the device you are connected to. So now let's talk about the sound quality of these earbuds. I have been using it for a week now. First time I did not know what to expect when I connect these to my phone. The sound quality is really great. This bass is pretty good. It's not too high and not too low. When you're listening to the songs here, the vocal comes out pretty nice and pretty clear. So in my opinion, the sound quality is really great. And I have noticed while playing songs or playing video game on my phone, there's no latency between these earbuds and the game you're playing. There might be a little bit, but that's not noticeable. So now let's talk about the battery of these case and the earbuds here. The case is equipped with really good battery of around 450 milliamp. That means you can charge your earbuds up to around 6 hours. And these earbuds battery itself lasts around 30 to 36 hours, and that depends on what the volume of your song you listen to or you play games, what volume. And at the bottom, the charging case, it takes around 1 or 1.5 hours to completely charge the case. So now let's do some microphone testing and give you an idea how clear the voice is with these earbuds. Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. Hello, mic testing. Hello, 1 2 3. Hello, 1 2 3. So now let's talk about how does these earbuds fits into your ear and how comfortable are these. These earbuds are really comfortable and fits perfectly into your ear, and especially with the assistive touch, you can control, play music while we're running or jogging and even talk. So now I will give you my final thoughts about these earbuds. These earbud looks really expensive with these golden touch onto the earbuds and the case. The sound quality is really great on these earbuds, and when you're talking to on your phone, these you can really clearly hear what the other person is saying. The microphone is really good, and one of the feature these earbuds are lacking is the volume control, but that's fine. You can always control the volume from your device you playing the song to. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and I will get back to you guys in my another video. Thank you.